Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can put a picture in a green screen using CapCut PC. So if you want to teleport your photos or videos into any background, in here for example I've already imported this green screen video and also this picture and also videos that I want to put into the green screen. So what you need to do next is just put the green screen on top or make it as overlay like this. And now you can just click on the green screen and go to the remove background and activate the chroma key. Now drag the color picker into the green screen. Now we can just adjust the intensity and I'll show this shadow. And to make it smoother, you can also increase the feather edge in here and also the clean up edge. Now you can go back to the footage or the picture and adjust its size like this to make it fit to the green screen. And it's also applied to the picture. So now it will become like this. So the footage and also the picture will be inside the TV with green screen on it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So please give me a like, leave a comment and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.